today we will be celebrating Eloy's birthday.
Let's feel the presence of our Lord. Sa ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Diyos. Sinabi mo, Panginoon, na isa o dalawa na nagkatipon sa pangalan mo ay narito ako. Maraming salamat sa pagkakataon ito na kami ay pinagsama-sama mo ngayon. Sana po ay tuluyan niyo pong gabayan ang birthday celebration ngayon. Sana po ay marami pa siyang birthday celebration na mangyari sa piling ng buong pamilya. Maraming salamat po. Hinihingi po namin ang lahat na ito. Mahal na mahal ng Diyos.
Short message para kay Eloy. Happy birthday, Eloy. I hope you become a beautiful, smart, and amazing girl. I wish you good health and more birthdays to come. That is all. Happy birthday. Short message para kay Eloy. Happy birthday, Eloy. Wish you good health.
my baby girl. What can I say to her is she is a very talented girl. And I wish her more birthdays and blessings to come. I love you, my baby. You too, my baby.
Happy birthday, baby Eloy. You're so smart girl and very beautiful. And I can see you. The future you will be a good girl and successfully baby. Happy birthday.
Sweet. Lagi na sa akin na ha. Happy birthday, Eloy. Wish ko sa iyo a good health always. And I know you're a smart person. Love you. For me, si Eloy is very gorgeous. Lagi siyang ano. Pagkalit talaga yung baby niya eh. Di ba? Ang wish ko sa kanya, good health always. Sabi Tagalog, mas good health. Lumaki siyang mabait na mabait na mabait na mabait na bata. Love you, Eloy!
Happy birthday. She's generous. Kay Eloise. Tapos sabi namin kay Eliza kay Eloise, share with your ate. At share naman na talaga. Happy birthday, baby.
Is very clever. Happy birthday, Eloy. I wish you more birthdays to come and good health. Always follow your parents, be diligent, and always be kind. Happy birthday.
Hug and kiss. Hug and kiss.
Madalas ganun, pag 1 year old.
Nice. Actually, ayaw ko niyan ng yun. Ayaw niya talaga. Ang gusto niya pong nickname, Eloy. Si Eloy, actually, siya yung vanity smurf ko. Apat yan eh. Iba-ibang smurf yan. So, si Eloy, vanity smurf. Kasi mahilig yan mag-ayos. Lagi yan nasa salamin. Ang akal na sa salamin. Tapos magbibis, nakaporma talaga. Kailangan terno-terno yung sapatos. Yung damit. Happy birthday, Eloy. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Love you. Happy birthday ulit, Eloy. I wish that you be a good girl and always listen to your parents. And I hope that you will become obedient and nice and So, ang good song is Whitney ang description ko. Whitney. Kasi Whitney si Eloy. So, happy birthday, Eloy. I wish you all the best. May all your wishes become true. Good health and more blessings. Okay, I love you, Eloy.
One word, is favorite. So happy birthday guys, and I hope you enjoy your day. Wish you all the best and God bless. Remember this word that your dreams are limitless, so pursue your dreams in the right time.
I-describe ko siya sa isang word, Raja. Ang wish ko naman din sa'yo, ingat ka palagi pag napapasok ka sa school. Saka, syempre, kasama niyo yung mama niyo pumapasok. Happy birthday, ingat.
Ano? Sira na nyo eh. Break it nyo eh. Break. Wow!
Raja ito, mga ano ah.
Ano?
Wow! Napo-coloring niya yan. Tapos tingnan siya. Pagkalitan namin, ay gusto niya sa'yo.
Hindi ko pa nag-describe. My gift is cake. Cake. Hindi, I'll describe it purple. Favorite niya din. Kapares lang din. Open. Wow! So, ano po, background na, lagi po kami magkasama ito. Lalo pag umuwi ako ng school kasi siya ay sumasalubong ng peace sa akin. Dahil mother nga daw. Happy birthday, daughter. I love you so much.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Eloy. Thank you for looking after baby as always.
Is favorite t-shirt dress. And your favorite color is dress for you, baby. With a belt. Like, okay?
Happy birthday to you.
One more time!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, smile. Smile, Eloy, smile. Happy birthday, Eloy! Sabay-sabay! Happy birthday, Eloy!
Happy birthday, Eloy!
Okay, make a wish and blow your kiss. Oh, make a wish, make a
happy birthday. Sana lumaki ka may takot sa Diyos. Sana maging mabait na bata. Lalo kung maging mabait na bata. Mag-aaral ka ng mabuti. Did you understand me? Really? You know the matter now? Okay, very good. Love you, Lord.
Hello, hello. Hey, my wish for you, no, is, siyempre, mag-aral ka ng mabuti, maging masaya ang bata, saka maging masusunod sa magulang, pay your parents, every time. Okay? Because we love you so much. Okay? Love you, Ana. Happy birthday. Happy 7th birthday.
Po ay kakain na. Pagkatapos kumain, swimming!